Longines has turned a new page in the life story of the Dolce Vita. An icon that represents the core values such as elegance and timeless beauty. After enormous success since its first release in 1997, Longines continues the legacy, introducing the Mini Dolce Vita. The new Longines Mini Dolce Vita captures the essence of La Dolce Vita in a way that resonates with today's woman, full of energy and spirit, but also exuding a subtle elegance and beauty. If you have any questions about this timepiece or about the brand Longines or Les Ambassadeurs, ask us in the comment section and our watch experts will get back to you right away. But what's better than to see this or any other Longines timepiece in action and deep dive into the world of timepieces at Les Ambassadeurs? You are always welcome to discover this timepiece with our watch experts at one of our boutiques in Geneva, at the famous Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at Bahnhofstrasse, at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kapellplatz. In the meantime, we invite you to our web shop where you can explore a wide selection of the latest Longines timepieces, including the Mini Dolce Vita. Since its founding in 1832, Longines has been synonymous with tradition, elegance, and performance, creating timepieces that have gained a reputation for reliability and precision. In 1927, Longines introduced a rectangular timepiece that would, 7 decades later, inspire its Dolce Vita collection. Living by the mantra, "Elegance is an attitude," Longines demonstrates that while the Dolce Vita designs feature soft, pure lines and exact proportions, the brand is unafraid to innovate and adapt to contemporary tastes and preferences. This enduring philosophy and heritage fuel the essence of the Mini Dolce Vita. Now, the first thing you'll notice with the Mini Dolce Vita is its compact design. Its rectangular stainless steel case measures 21.5 mm by 29 mm and 6.75 mm in thickness, making it marginally smaller than its full-sized predecessors. But the standout feature of this new collection, and what quite literally makes it sparkle, are the 38 IF/VVS top Wesselton diamonds that border its case, totaling 0.456 carats. The compact and smooth design of the case gives an overall more subtle feel on the wrist, which makes the timepiece complete your look rather than dominate it. Regardless if you are wearing a dress or if you go for the casual look such as jeans, this timepiece won't disappoint you, doesn't matter the occasion. The Mini Dolce Vita comes with a scratch-resistant, anti-glare coated sapphire crystal that houses a dial you won't be able to take your eyes off. With a focus on elegance, the Cosmo circular dial sports a silver sunray background, a white matte track for the hours and minutes, and another silver sunray circle inside. And don't miss the second subdial in matte, perfectly situated at 6 o'clock. Pair that with Roman numerals and blue steel hands, and you've got a timepiece that's not just a beauty, but easy to read too. The style options don't stop there. Alongside the Cosmo dial, Longines offers a sandblasted version for a different texture, and if you're into Roman rectangular dials, they also have those. These come with embossed geometric patterns and the guilloché effect, hitting the mark on understated elegance. You can even choose from outer square colors like ivory white, mint green, blossom pink, or serene blue, giving a unique visual contrast to the inner square. The Mini Dolce Vita collection runs on Longines's L178 quartz movement and is water-resistant up to 3 bar. It's the same movement you will find in the timepieces from the larger Dolce Vita collection. Fitted with this powerhouse, you can count on this delicate piece to be accurate and durable. Longines gives you an excellent range of strap options for the Mini Dolce Vita, so you can pick the one that suits your style best. If you go for the main version, it comes with a sleek stainless steel bracelet, complete with 198 links and a butterfly clasp. For the models with a rectangular Roman dial, Longines offers straps in addition to black and red alligator leather that match the color of the dial's outer square, creating a more harmonious aesthetic. The Mini Dolce Vita is like the poster child for what Longines stands for: timeless elegance, a modern touch of sophistication, and precision you can count on. As for the price, it's set at 3,650 Swiss francs, and you can get your hands on one right now. We are delighted to have the Longines Dolce Vita timepiece, the latest addition to its Elegance collection, at either one of our boutiques or via our online store, where you can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service. We will deliver any timepiece on stock within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Are you a fan of rectangular timepieces? What are your thoughts on how Longines gave a contemporary touch to an otherwise vintage and classic design? Your opinion matters to us. Please share your questions, experiences, and thoughts in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.